Okay, as mentioned in the previous video, in this video we're just going to check to see if certain values are solutions to inequalities. And simply enough, all you do is plug that value in for the variable and see if it makes that inequality true. For example, in A, we're going to take the negative 3 and substitute it in for the x in the inequality. So 2 times negative 3 plus 1 is greater than negative 3. And we're going to check to see if that makes that true. So on the left side, we're going to simplify by following our simple order of operations. 2 times negative 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 1, and we want to know if that's greater than negative 3. Well, negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. It's greater than negative 3. Well, negative 5 is not greater than negative 3, so then therefore this is not a solution. And that's all you do for all of these. Take the value, plug it in for the variable, and see if it's true or not. So for example, in B, we're going to take negative 1, plug it in for x. And doing the order of operations on the left side, we end up with negative 1. Is that greater than negative 3? It is. Negative 1 is greater than negative 3, so negative 1 is a solution. So we're going to do the same thing in example 3 in those 4 cases. We're going to start with negative 1. Is 13 minus 7 times negative 1 less than or equal to 6? So 13, negative 7, and negative 1, that becomes plus 7. Is that less than or equal to 6? Is 20 less than or equal to 6? The answer is no. So negative 1 is not a solution. And we do the same thing for 0. Is 13 minus 7 times 0 less than or equal to 6? Is 13, 7 times 0 is 0. Is 13 less than or equal to 6? It is not. So 0 is also not a solution because it doesn't make it true. And that was basically what happened last unit with equations also, that if value made the equation true, it was a solution. If it didn't, it was not a solution. Now, doing the same thing for positive 1, is 13 minus 7 times 1 less than or equal to 6? Order of operations, 13 minus 7, is that less than or equal to 6? Is 6 less than or equal to 6? Well, it is equal to. So that is true. So 1 is a solution. And finally, for number 3, or for letter D, when we substitute 3 in, is 13 minus 7 times 3 less than or equal to 6? So is 13 minus 21, 7 times 3, less than or equal to 6? When adding those, we get negative 8. Is that less than or equal to 6? The answer is yes. So 3 is a solution. So that ends this video with checking solutions for inequalities. In the next video, we're going to look at inequalities and their graphs.